This is Pramit Kumar Senapati, web design and SEO consultant. Welcome again to my video channel, and in this week we'll be discussing how to secure your WordPress website step-by-step guide. And last week you saw how to design your first website and all the peripheral aspect like the domain, how to register, how to select web hosting, and then do your design by using the community theme. So the primary issue is to secure your website. So how to do that, and in this particular video I will be discussing that step by step. So let us pretend that you have your website completely secured. But what is the reality? Your website can never be 100% secure. That may be WordPress site or that may be any particular website, because the hackers are always trying to find and exploit different new holes inside your security and the vulnerability, and they are trying to research it and they try to break that. And the complete, the world wide web, the complete online world is changing each day, and because of that the security and all these different issues cannot be protected 100%. So good security is about reducing your complete risk, and if anybody is trying to promise you that I'll secure 100% solution to you, they are scamming you, and that is not true. You will never be completely safe, but lots of different work can be done which will minimize your risk, and one in million case will be failure. That means you will be completely secure. You can say 99% will be secure, and that is enough. So what is the solution for this? And the solution which I'll be showing today, that is the Wordfence, that is the world's #1 security plugin which you can use in WordPress website. Let me show you how to install this plugin and what is the different reviews and how many downloads are there and how to configure this directly. I will show you this. So now we'll look how to install this particular plugin Wordfence. So you go to the plugin and select here add new. So once you select this add new, you can search from the plugin different directories and you can have your particular plugin. So just search security, and once you search this security, hit enter, and once you hit enter you can see a couple of different plugins which are available, free plugins, but these are the #1 plugins. And here you can see the Wordfence, and you have 5-star ratings, 2070 reviews, and it's updating very frequently. 2 weeks ago the recent updates you can see, and this is basically the number of downloads which you can see. And then hit install, and once you click this install now, this plugin will be installed. Then directly you come back here, this particular setting Wordfence, and go to options, and once you go to this particular options, you have to do what is the best setting and how to secure your website. So you will be getting this Wordfence API key automatically embedded to your website, and then you can see the firewall and all these default settings you have to keep it. But primarily the alerts are very important, which you have to configure it. The email me when Wordfence is automatically updating, so this will be annoying, so keep it switch off. And alert on critical problems, that you have to keep it on. Alerts on warning, and IP address is blocked, that also will be communicated to you. So whenever the hackers are trying to attack your site through brute force attack, so how to restrict that in configurations also I'll be discussing that. And when someone is logged out, that also will be reported to you through your email ID which you will register here. And the maximum email alerts to send per hour, that you can set. Empty means unlimited alerts will be sent, and by default you can see this is 0, so don't change this. And important thing is what you need to scan, and keep it all as specified here, like the scan for the Heartbleed vulnerability, and these all are recommended. Scan core files, again the different version and all the changes that will be taken care. and scan for the signatures and the malicious file. So all this you keep ticked. But very important thing is the firewall rules. So immediately block fake Google crawlers. So this you have to tick it. And how should we treat Google crawler? The verified Google crawler have unlimited access. So this you have to give it organic Google crawlers. And if anyone requests exit, so this is the my setting. So 960 per minute, 16 per second. Then you throttle it, and rest of all these three also you have to keep like this. And if crawlers page not found 404, these are basically the attacking website and spams, so this also you have to keep like this. And finally, if a human page view exit 60 per minute 1 per second, then they are not the organic viewers, they are the hackers, so block it. And like that 404 also, if you are seeing that also, you block it. And the IP address will be blocked for 1 month, or you can select any one, but 1 month is recommended. So this is the highest one. And because of all this setting, your attacks and the brute force which they try to guess your password and all, so that also will be limited here. The enforce strong password for all the members to use. So use this, the force admin and the publisher only. And lock out for how many login failures, so 3 times. And above this, because hackers, they will try to guess your password, and they try to do it maybe the 50 times, 30 times, but the 3 they cannot guess it, so 3 will be the highest secured. Lockout after how many forgot password attempt, so this you make it 2 as the best setting. And then you can see the amount of time a user is locked out, 60 days. And immediate lockout, invalid usernames, and all these options you need to tick it. And here also hide WordPress version and all, this is very important, this also you have to see. And finally, after doing this, just you go for save changes. Now you are ready to scan your website. So how to scan your website? Again, you go to this scan, and directly all the issues will be reported here, and complete scan will be done for you, and everything will be green. If any problem is found, then scanning for old themes, plugin and core files, so that will be done. So you have to update that. Here you can see this particular uh, plugin is not updated, so that is showing here. So you see each and every warning message, and the precaution will be done accordingly, and that you can do it. Now the scan will be started, and finally you will see the final output, which you see the preparing a new scan, and this will be done finally. And you can see all the messages will be shown one by one. So like this, this particular video training series will help you in securing your WordPress website, and you can just protect your site from the hackers. Hope this particular training series directly you can apply on your website, and you can directly get ROI. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel.